Well, good morning, tubers. I just wanted to start by saying that we're going to be getting a storm, and I wanted to film a little bit the day before so you guys got a little glimpse of what's going on, you know. And this is how we start it. We start it with no snow on the ground whatsoever. There's no snow at all. And Tony's just watching out the window. Right, Tony? Hey, Papa? Hey. Alright? Yeah. We're supposed to be getting, we're supposed to be getting, upwards of, 34 inches, they're saying, between 34 inches of snow and, 24, so they're not really sure. It just depends on how long the storm stays right over us. You know what I'm saying? So I'll film a little as we go, as the storm progresses, and what kind of playing I do, and we'll see how it goes.
South and southern New England. During the morning commute, the snow just starting, and by lunchtime a little snow. In the afternoon it's coming down harder. The evening commute's going to be horrible. Now the wind picks up, the snow picks up late at night and into Saturday morning, and we could see 2 feet of snow in most locations. You saw up to 3 feet there on the computer model chart. Of course, we look at several different computer models, and this is what we've come up with our official forecast. 18 to 24, there's 1.5 to 2 feet of snow. In a long time since we've seen that kind of snow in Boston. Certainly the last couple of winters haven't shown that. We only have about 10 inches for this entire winter so far. This will more than double it if this happens, and it certainly looks like it's going to. Sherry Spear has more over there. Sherry?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, running in the snow. Oh, yeah.
So let's check out
Hello.
the Reese cups.
Well, I just want to let you guys know it started snowing just a little bit ago. You see how my road works? It's like this road gets all the snow first. So this is the city right now.
Oh, thank you there, Tater. This is
Okay, it's getting a little worse. It's starting to stick on the main street there. Oh yeah. It's coming down. You probably can't see the city at all over there. Yeah, this street's pretty well covered. My walkway is covered. But over there it's just starting. Well, alright. We're in the thick of the storm now. It's coming down. Approximately 2:30 in the afternoon. Can't see very far in front of you. Snow's picking up a little more. Kid next door trying to keep up on it. Yep. Oh yeah, see? They come out when the snow comes out. Oh yeah, look at it now. Now it's 9 o'clock at night. And look at it on the window. Look at my kitty. Hi, Tally. Whoa, look at all the snow on the windowsill. It's deep. Whoa, look at outside. It's blizzard bad still. There we go.
good morning. Look at this is the snow in the window. Just opened it. We're gonna take a look outside. Look at the cars buried. Can't even see them. Look at the stairs. There's stairs in there.